Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to delete TikTok account. So to do that, first you need to tap your TikTok application, then tap your profile at the bottom right corner, and then tap the three lines at the upper right corner, and tap settings and privacy, and then tap account, and in here tap deactivate or delete account. Now tap delete account permanently. Then choose why are you leaving TikTok. Then after that, you can download your account. And then after that, you can tap the button at the bottom before continue and then tap continue. So that's how to delete TikTok account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.